folks, here's a bit of a mock-up. I probably won't use, I won't use pieces like this in between those. I'll probably use something a bit more thing. I mean, blue and green's not really, it's okay. I need to get my colour wheel out and decide what I'm going to do between those, but there'll be some sort of join. So anyway, this is a bit of a mock-up of the room here. I've been working on chiseling out hinges. I'll tidy that up with a scalpel soon. Anyway, but it'll be covered by a hinge. So there's the door. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just giving a quick update for one of my subscribers who asked something. Can I show videos showing me doing stuff? Well, I'm sort of too busy to do it, and it's too much of a production, really. So I'd love to. If you sort of watch the videos in the series, you'll sort of get an idea of where I've come from, where I'm going. And maybe once everything's done, I'll go back and make some breakdown videos or something. So these panels here, they'll go on that wall there, and they'll be like the feature wall on here. So I've got the alcove there, the wardrobes there, goes over there. I'm just working on the door for that, just mounting that. Yeah, so there we go. And I'll just show you a couple other little things around here. So there's the back of those boards. Now what I'm going to do, even though this is just going to be a storage room, these bits here, I'm going to burn them. So I'm going to burn them because they look good. And so that can be, even though it's going to be a storage room, I'll still make it sort of pretty. So maybe someday someone might want to have a little bed in here. There's a toilet I got from my mate Greg, and I'm not going to mention any names, but, he gave it to me, had cobwebs over it and all that because he had it ripped out a few years ago. But everything I'm doing in here I get for free. So this is like the free Reno sort of thing. And I said, as I said to Greg, if you've had a dump in that, I'm never gonna wash it. So, but I probably will have to at some stage before I install it. Sorry, Greggy. Right, so there's a little back panel there. There's a little antler there. Right, so that's the back bit there. And this bit here, I'm just working on this bit here. So I've pretty much, it's a shame that it's got that little, I'm just going to have to tidy those little bits up through there, but it's close. Hey mummy, look at me. I'm a real builder now. Okay, so over here, I've just got this piece here. Look at her. Woo! She is beautiful. And that's the piece that's going to slot into here. I don't know if I can do this with two hands. Sorry guys, it's getting a bit confusing. But, so that's the piece that will go in there. So it's going to look, I'm not quite holding it in the right positioning, something like that. But yeah, that's just going to look $1,000,000. So, and I've got to finish painting across there and all that. But anyway, that's where we're at the moment. Well, I'm sort of working through about the second third of the house now. God bless you all. See you later. Bye.